What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the brand new Sonos Sub 4 Wireless Subwoofer Black. If you're looking to elevate your home audio experience, you're in the right place. This powerful subwoofer promises to deliver deep, dynamic bass that will transform the way you enjoy music and movies. So, let's dive in and explore what makes this product so special. First off, the Sonos Sub 4 boasts dual Sonos-engineered drivers that are designed to generate deep, dynamic bass. But what does this mean for you? Essentially, it translates to a more immersive audio experience. Whether you're watching your favorite movie, playing games, or listening to music, the bass response is incredibly rich and detailed. I was blown away by the depth and clarity of the low frequencies, and I'm confident you will be too. The dual drivers work in tandem to produce a bass that's not only powerful but also precise, allowing you to feel every nuance of the music or sound effects. Another key feature that sets the Sonos Sub 4 apart is its ported enclosure. This clever design enhances the bass response and low-frequency output, resulting in a more engaging and realistic listening experience. The ported enclosure allows the subwoofer to produce a more extended bass response, which is especially noticeable in the lower frequency ranges. This means you'll be able to feel the rumble of the bass in your chest, making your audio experience even more immersive and enjoyable. Whether you're a music enthusiast or a movie buff, the Sonos Sub 4's ported enclosure is sure to impress. Now, let's talk about how the Sonos Sub 4 can transform your home theater experience. When paired with the Sonos Arc Ultra, Arc, or Beam, this subwoofer takes your audio to the next level. The combination of the subwoofer's deep bass and the speaker's clear highs creates a truly cinematic experience. I was amazed by the seamless integration of the Sub 4 with my Sonos system, and I'm confident you will be too. The resulting sound is rich, detailed, and utterly immersive, making it perfect for movie nights, gaming sessions, or just relaxing with your favorite music. The Sonos Sub 4 also features a force-canceling acoustic architecture that virtually eliminates distortion, buzz, and rattle. This means you can enjoy your music or movies without any annoying artifacts or distractions. The subwoofer's design ensures that the bass is clean and accurate, allowing you to focus on the audio experience without any interruptions. This attention to detail is a testament to Sonos's commitment to delivering high-quality audio products that exceed your expectations. Last but not least, the Sonos Sub 4's iconic sculptural design and updated matte finish make it a stylish addition to any room. The subwoofer's sleek and modern design ensures it will blend seamlessly with your existing Sonos system, creating a cohesive and sophisticated look. The matte finish is not only aesthetically pleasing but also durable and easy to clean, making it a practical choice for any home. In conclusion, the Sonos Sub 4 Wireless Subwoofer Black is an incredible product that delivers on its promises. With its deep, dynamic bass, ported enclosure, and seamless integration with Sonos speakers, this subwoofer is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their home audio experience. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a movie buff, or a gamer, the Sonos Sub 4 is sure to impress.